These two cases are nice three movers that you can get. So you'd solve it with RU prime R prime, and this one RU R prime. But those are not the only two three movers that you can get during F2L. Usually for this case here, what you normally would do is take out this corner to pair up with the edge and then insert it. But from this angle here, this actually becomes a three mover, and what you can do is an S, R, S prime, and it's very fast to do. You can also do this from the back, like solve it into the back with S, R prime, S prime. The three mover also allows you to solve this really bad F2L case in a much nicer way. So for this case here, where you have this case going into the back slot, you would insert the corner over here, U prime, and you set it up into the three mover, so S, R prime, S prime. Next, you have this case here where instead it's going into the front, so you'd put it at the back and insert the corner into the back slot, U, and then three mover. Next, we have this case here where we have the corner over here and edge here, and while it doesn't look like it's a good case, it's actually only 7 moves, and it's really good to do when you don't really have any good pairs, especially for your first pair. So what you do is take this edge out, and then you have the three move insert, S, R prime, S prime.